Good morning, my friends. What up? Hey, we know what time it is. It's time for a cup of coffee. It's wet, cold, windy, rainy. Actually, it's clearing off and it's going to turn into a really nice day. But I thought we'd stay in today. It's been really rainy again all night, and it's cold out there. So here we are. So I was asking you, what's your net worth? Now, I don't really expect you to answer that question. It's sort of personal, but here's the real question: is do you have any money in the bank, any extra at all? I mean, the other day I was driving home and my power steering pump quit. That was the beginning of a long series of things. But my car has been at the mechanics for close to a week now, and it'll probably come home today, maybe tomorrow. And the total cost of the repairs is going to be right about $1,000. If your car broke today and you needed $1,000, could you put your hands on it? And the sad reality is that most Americans can't. It's estimated that about maybe 40% of Americans could put their hands on $1,000 without going into debt, without using a credit card. And if you had a real expense, like a bigger one, no, 2 or 3 years ago, a couple of years ago, my transmission failed. That's about a $3,000, $4,000. It's probably less here than I'm in Mexico. It's less here than it is up there in the States. But here's the challenge: is that most people are living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make the minimum payments due on their bills and have enough money to make it through the month. Most people are within one paycheck of not eating, and that's a really sad state of affairs. If nothing in the last 6, 7, 8, 9 months, we should have all learned the lesson that something can happen totally out of the blue, completely unexpected, that can just whap us in the knees and bring us crashing down, out of money, out of food, no place to get it. And it really could, and I don't mean to be a fearmonger here, but it really could get worse before it gets better. The way things are going right now, it really scares me, honestly, into thinking that we're going to head into a deep depression here financially. What are you doing to prepare yourself? What are you doing to protect you and your family? I have a really great book here, and it's called Building a Millionaire Mindset by Johnny Wimbrey. If you don't have it, maybe you should get it. Maybe you should think about some of the ideas that are in there. Remember, we are still in a society where the estimate is 1,700 people a day become millionaires. Now, you're going to say, and I've said this before, you're going to say, that can't be right. That's just way too big of a number. And I've checked it over and over and over again. That's the statistic. I don't know how they calculate it. I don't know where it comes from. But here's the deal. We still live in a society where there is lots of opportunity. The reality is that people that do better for themselves see opportunity and they take action. People that don't do better for themselves don't see opportunity. They see obstacles. They see hard work. They see fears. What do you see? There's opportunity all around you. Can you make your life better for you, for your family? Hell yes, you can. Hi, Betty. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're wonderful. I was talking about money today. I had a situation this week where I have to put $1,000 into my car. And the estimate is about 40% of Americans could put their hands on $1,000 if they needed to, without whipping out a credit card, without going into debt. And I was talking about the idea that if we haven't learned anything from the last 9 months or so, we should have learned that we need to protect ourselves. We need a backup plan. We need a plan B. I know you know that. And I'm glad you're doing great. But so many people don't. And when they're given an opportunity, what they see is obstacles. And, the people that thrive in the downturns of society are people that see opportunity and they get into action. And other people, they just see fear. They see obstacles. They see hard work. They have a oh poor me victim mentality. I know you don't have one of those, Betty. I know you don't. But so many people do. So what's the solution? Hey, everybody has an opportunity to move forward and do better with their life. Everybody. The question is, are you acting on it? And that wasn't personally directed, Betty, to you. That was directed to anyone who's watching. So, if you want to chat about options, in fact, I have a really nice PDF on 5 ways to make money from home. If you'd like it, just let me know. Drop me an emoji. Let me know you'd like it. I'll get it for you. 5 ways to make money from home. Nice PDF file. All right, my friends, it's Friday. You have a wonderful day. Be happy and be compassionate. The world needs a lot more of that. We'll talk again. Bye for now.